Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am making 2 ingredients cake. There are lots of 2 ingredients cake recipes by Buzzfeed Tasty and they are freaking amazing. We are trying one of them today, let's see how it ends. First of all we will take an egg and separate the egg white and egg yolk. Just like this as you can see in the video. Now I am going to whisk the egg white till it gets foamy creamy structure. At this point, it is not done yet, so we will keep whisking it. Yes, you can see now this is the kind of texture we want for our egg white. Now it's completely done. Here, I took 3/4 cup of melted chocolate. I am using milk chocolate. You can use any kind of chocolate you want. Melted, sweetened, dark, milk, any kind of chocolate. And then we are adding the egg yolk in our chocolate and mixing it. You are going to mix very well. Then we are going to add a small amount of egg white into our chocolate and mix it. After mixing it, we will add the mixture into our egg white. We are going to mix this very gently to keep the consistency of the cake batter just like as we want. Now we are going to grease our pan. Here I am using regular vegetable oil. You can use any kind of oil. You can even use butter, parchment paper, butter paper. I am also dusting my pan with flour. Pour the batter into the pan. You can see my batter is very dense. You will bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. It took me 15 minutes just because I used milk chocolate and my batter was dense. The consistency was very dense. That's why it took me 15 minutes. Otherwise, it can get to 25 or 30 minutes. Here my cake is ready and this is lit. I made the ganache also. You can see the recipe of ganache in my description. I'm gonna cut this cake and will show you. This is freaking amazing and made with only 2 ingredients. You should try this. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you are new here. Stay home, save lives.